How to cancel your SuperGrok subscription. So what you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and log into your account. Of course, you can either do this in your preferred browser or just the website in general, but the process should be quite similar in the other platforms. But anyways, go ahead to your profile. Usually it should be found here in the top or bottom left corner, like so, and then you're gonna go ahead and press on your settings. Inside your settings, you're gonna go ahead to the subscription, which is right below data controls, and then you're gonna have to find this option manage. Sometimes it could be found directly in the very bottom, but for now it's going to be here. So once you press on manage, there's going to be a cancel subscription button. You'll be able to see the next billing date and whatnot, but once you cancel, it's still going to be active until the billing date or whatnot. But just go ahead and press on cancel SuperGrok once you're sure with that, and then go ahead and press on continue to cancel, and then finally lose offer and continue to cancel. And after that, it's gonna bring you to another page where you can press on cancel subscription. There's a lot of buttons you're gonna have to press, but eventually you will be able to confirm your cancellation. So just go ahead and do them all one by one, and then eventually the subscription will be canceled, and you'll be able to confirm that once you get this little question or feedback thing where it's asking you why did you cancel. But that's pretty much it. You can go back to your manage and you can manage your subscription, but your subscription will now be cancelled. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.